Hey car wash owners, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? You've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. But I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your car wash. Let's jump into it. Now, if you haven't heard of MartySites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update websites. Only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in to give it a go. So make sure you click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Once you've registered an account, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. I'm now going to make my way to the top and search for our market, car wash. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's MartySites a few basic details about our car wash so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, MartySites will do all the hard work its magic, and create a simple website for your car wash business. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because I'm going to be the one to show you around. Now, the beauty of the MartySites platform, the great thing about it is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're already high quality. They're also completely free for you to use as well. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your car wash. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Perhaps you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Maybe you need to change the pricing on here and you don't offer all those services. Want to let your customers know a little bit of background of your car wash, how it came to be. They'd absolutely love to hear your story. To make any changes on the MartySites website, you absolutely don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way or have any web development skills. Absolutely not. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not very tech savvy. Simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. Let's go ahead and check that box. Awesome phone number, that is click to call, by the way, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in the various links for your social media platforms. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website, so your customers can give you a follow, get some engagement going on your social channels. Now, underneath the next section, if you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil icon to crop it, rotate it, or add filters or frames, make minor edits to your logo. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo to make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a bit better. Now, if you'd like to change the colors as well on your MartySites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paints icon bottom right hand corner and go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. Excellent. Now, for each section, you want to make a bit more personalized to your business. Perhaps you want to change the images and the call to action buttons. Click on that update section button. Underneath update images, where you can browse your own device and upload your own images, or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from, as you can see. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos if you have an Instagram account, and create a nice collage over here with all your Instagram photos. Underneath update action is where you can change those call to action buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with a price list of your different services, or link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings perhaps for different services at your car wash. And the last section is where you can put in your opening hours, update them for your customers' convenience, pop them in for each day of the week. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving and display your opening hours in this section over here. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, to hook it up, connect it to your MartySites websites and change the URL to make it custom, click on connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain by the MartySites platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website in just 5 minutes on the MartySites platform for your car wash. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give me the thumbs up for this video, and follow us for more small business marketing tips.